Hi there friends, welcome back to Kids Learning Spot. Today we are going to learn the name of vegetables name. Watercress, watercress. Habanero pepper, habanero pepper. Endive, endive. Collard greens, collard greens. Dandelion, dandelion greens. Horseradish, horseradish. Daikon, daikon. Cassava, cassava. Taro, taro. Yucca, yucca. Kohlrabi, kohlrabi. Jicama, jicama. Lotus root, lotus root. Mustard greens, mustard greens. Bamboo shoots, bamboo shoots. Chayote, chayote. Napa cabbage, napa cabbage. Snow peas, snow peas. Sugar snap peas, sugar snap peas. Green beans, green beans. Yellow beans, yellow beans. Cucumber, this is a cucumber. Tomato, this is a tomato. Potato, this is a potato. Carrot, this is a carrot. Broccoli, this is broccoli. Cauliflower, this is cauliflower. Lettuce, this is lettuce. Spinach, spinach. Sweet potato, this is a sweet potato.